If you have little ones, then you know all the different kinds of messes that can occur with them around, especially when they're potty training. To assist with the cleaning of some of these messes, LG created the Sanitary cycle.
The Sanitary cycle is certified to remove 99.9% of bacteria on cotton fabrics without high energy consumption when used in conjunction with bleach and high temperatures.
This cycle is best used on items such as cloth diapers, heavily soiled underwear, work clothes, and bedding. The wash temperature for the Sanitary cycle is set to extra hot, and this setting cannot be changed. You can add steam to the cycle as well as turbo wash, which will shorten the cycle time slightly. Or you can add the soak and extra rinse options if needed. Available options may vary by model. Remember to use high-efficiency detergent and never exceed the detergent manufacturer's recommended amount for your load type and size. Do not fill the detergent dispenser over the maximum fill line. By selecting the appropriate cycle for your load type, you can optimize wash performance when using your LG washer.